Hi, this is Mihnea. In this episode of Learn Mongolian, my Mongolian friend and Olympic archer Gangtugs Jantsan will teach you how to count from 90 to 100 in Mongolian. Let's begin the lesson.
$90,
Yir
91,
yerinlik
$92,
hoyor
93,
guraw
$94,
doruw
95,
taw
96,
zurgaa
97,
doloo
98,
naym
99, 100.
zo
And that's the end of our Learn Mongolian lesson. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for more. And let us know in the comment section below how far are you with your Mongolian studies. Salut! This is Mihnea. Travel more. Live life.